sweet sound of the church bells ringing, the happy sound of friendly footsteps crunching through the newly fallen snow. The sound of children giggling with delight, the sound of an organ full and rich and bright, bringing joy to the world, the first Noel. And is all around, and each sound I hear fills my soul with a love that's growing, growing more and more till it's overflowing with peace and good cheer. Once
From Salzburg, Austria, Julie Andrews, The Sound of Christmas, starring John Denver. The King's Singers, and special guest star Placido Domingo.
Golden days of yore, faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more.
Christmas in Salzburg. Oh, so many happy memories. Here where the Sound of Music was filmed, the people are still as warm and friendly as I remember them, and the city seems to have been preserved for eternity in a delicate white blanket of snow. I hear the sound of church bells, smell the wonderful aroma of holiday cooking, and relish the look of welcome that warms the soul. I've come to Salzburg with some very special friends to give a Christmas concert. Bringing music to Salzburg is like bringing coals to Newcastle. After all, this is the birthplace of that genius, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. It was here that he wrote many of his magnificent works, symphonies, operas, masses, and of course the divinely inspired Christmas fantasy. You don't remember that? I hadn't heard of it either until quite recently.
Well, it's about time you showed up. You singers are all the same. I call a rehearsal for 5 o'clock. It's almost 6.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't expect to be here.
Come in, come in, come in. You're not the only one. The instruments haven't shown up either. I don't know how they expect me to give a concert in 2 hours with no instruments, a singer who hasn't even seen the score of my new Christmas pastiche.
Oh, no.
And there's not even a pot of coffee in sight. Salieri told me there would be days like this.
Look, Mr.
Mozart? W.A. Mozart.
Oh, how do you do? You see, I don't think I was supposed to be here.
Everyone is supposed to be somewhere. You're here. We'll make the best of it. Do you read music?
Yes, I do.
Well, that's very wonderful because, you see, I write music. Here, read this.
Oh, The Marriage of Figaro.
That's next week. This is it.
A Christmas fantasy.
Wonderful. You gentlemen have your parts? Why don't you just sort of sing the instruments? Where's the magic flute when you need it? We'll just do the best that we can. Pay attention, Liebchen. The Emperor will be here tonight. This could mean the palace. Tuning.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Tis the season to be jolly. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Merry Christmas to
Beautiful, beautiful Liebchen. Tell me, do you do coronations?
I can't think of a more magnificent sound of Christmas than to hear one of the world's most glorious voices singing one of the most glorious Christmas songs in one of the most glorious settings, the lovely church at Mondsey. My friend Placido Domingo is rehearsing with the orchestra for the concert we are giving. I feel as if I've been allowed to sit in on an audition for the Heavenly Choir.
Stars are brightly shining. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Placido. Oh, Placido. Oh, that was wonderful.
Thank you, Julie.
Are you going to sing it at the concert tomorrow?
Well, it is a possibility. But you know what I would really like to sing? It is a new Christmas song, A Gift of Love. It has been written by a young composer that I know for many, many years.
What's his name?
Plácido Domingo.
You wrote it?
No, not me. My son, Plácido Jr.
Ah, that's lovely. It's nice, isn't it, when they carry on the tradition?
Oh, wonderful. But your children are also carrying on the tradition.
Well, I don't know about tradition, but they're certainly carrying on, that's for sure.
Speaking about tradition, this church must bring you back happy, happy memories.
It does.
Oh, yes, you were married here, am I correct?
Yes, you are, sort of. It was really a marriage made in Hollywood. I was playing Maria von Trapp in The Sound of
Wonderful,
Music, and I
yes.
got married in this church. You have many memories of Salzburg, too, though, don't you? I mean, you've played the festival many times.
Oh, yes, it is a magic city for me. If you want to go back into the past, this is the right place to do it.
You're like a chance I had to take in my life. I found you and couldn't lose you.
And all the difference that you made in my life, the feelings I never knew. I guess I must have saved an empty place in my heart for you to come and fill this space in my heart. And long before I said I loved you, I loved you.
Whatever happens, this is true in my
Whatever
life.
happens, this is true.
When all
When
the
springs have come and
gone, whatever doors I may go through in my life, whatever else that I may do in my life, you'll always be something new in my life from now on. I know there always will be you in my life.
What is it about Salzburg that draws one back into the past? Is it the stately mansions that once were alive with the sound of all those lovely waltzes? Is it the fairy tale feeling that hangs in the air and creates the atmosphere of a picture-perfect time? Well, perhaps it's all those things. All those things, and yet there's something more.
The sun sits low, diffusing its usual glow. 5 o'clock, twilight, vespers sound,
And it's 6 o'clock, twilight, all around, but the sun sits low, as low as it's going to go.
8 o'clock, twilight, how unfurling, it's 9 o'clock, twilight, slowly crawling towards
10 o'clock, twilight, crickets calling, the vespers ring. The nightingale's waiting to sing, the rest of us wait on a string. Perpetual sunset is rather an unsettling thing.
Lured by the sound of the waltz, one is tempted to pass through the looking glass and join in the dance. Oh, who could resist the chance to flirt and be slightly outrageous on this Christmas Eve? To be caught up in the spell of the music.
When I want a melody looking through the house,
Yes.
then I want a melody by Strauss. It laughs, it sings, the world is in rhyme, swinging to 3/4 time.
Let the Danube flow along, and the Fledermaus keep the wine and give me some. By Strauss,
By Jove, by Jing, by Strauss is the thing.
So I say to Ascha, Herr Aus, just give me an papa by Strauss.
That's very kind of you. Thank you. Gentlemen. Thank you.
Strings are sighing, quiet the night that I love you. Now they sigh softly cry, I love you too. Music says it simply,
cute tonight, so annoyingly, cloyingly cute tonight, so disarming, softly and charming, she is not thinking of me. She is not thinking of me. No, she's not thinking of me.
Frosted window panes, candles gleaming inside, painted candy canes on the tree. Love is on the way, perhaps today we'll see.
distance. Funky music gotta stretch your soul. Just relax and let the rhythm take you. Don't you be afraid to lose control. If your heart has found some empty spaces, dancing's just the thing to make you whole. I am one who dances with the mountain. Did you hear the prophet tell his tale? Oh, we are one when dancing with the mountain. Yeah, yeah. We are one when singing with the wind. Oh, 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 yeah. We are one when thinking of each other. Much more than pieces, more than friends. Yeah!
Oh! Kijk, jullie staan te slapen of zo.
Weihnachten schenke ich dir mit Liebe eine bunt bemalte Kuckucksuhr. Zu Weihnachten schenke ich dir mit Liebe einen Bierkrug und eine bunt bemalte Kuckucksuhr. Zu Weihnachten schenke ich dir mit Liebe ein Tiroler Hut, einen Bierkrug und eine bunt bemalte Kuckucksuhr. Zu Weihnachten schenke ich dir mit Liebe einen Gugelhupf, ein Tiroler Hut, einen Bierkrug und eine bunt bemalte Kuckucksuhr. Zu Weihnachten schenke ich dir mit Liebe ein Glockenspiel, einen Gugelhupf, ein Tiroler Hut, einen Bierkrug und eine bunt bemalte Kuckucksuhr. Zu Weihnachten schenke ich dir mit Liebe 50 Pfeffernüsse, ein Glockenspiel, einen Gugelhut, ein Tiroler Hut,
einen Bierkrug, eine bunt bemalte Kuckucksuhr. Zu Weihnachten schenke ich dir 50 Pfeffernüsse, ein Glockenspiel, einen Gugelhut, ein Tiroler Hut, einen Bierkrug, eine bunt bemalte Kuckucksuhr. Zu Weihnachten schenke ich dir mit Liebe ein Spitzendindel, 50 Pfeffernüsse, ein Glockenspiel, einen Gugelhut, ein Tiroler Hut, einen Bier, eine bunt bemalte Kuckucksuhr. Zu Weihnachten schenke ich dir mit Liebe 3 Zwetschgenknödel, 2 Bienenschnitzel, 50 Pfeffernüsse, ein Glockenspiel, einen Gugelhut, ein Tiroler Hut, einen Bierkrug, eine bunt bemalte Kuckucksuhr. Zu Weihnachten schenke ich dir mit Liebe einen Apfelstrudel, ein Spitzendindel, 50 Pfeffernüsse, ein Glockenspiel, einen Gugelhut, ein Tiroler Hut, einen Bierkrug, eine bunt bemalte Kuckucksuhr. Zu Weihnachten schenke ich dir mit Liebe ein Federkissen, einen Apfelstrudel, 2 Zwetschgenknödel, ein Spitzendindel, 2 Bienenschnitzel, 50 Pfeffernüsse, ein Glockenspiel, einen Gugelhut, ein Tiroler Hut, einen Bier, eine bunt bemalte Kuckucksuhr. Zu Weihnachten schenke ich dir mit Liebe 19 Quarkwürste, ein Federkissen, einen Apfelstrudel, 3 Zwetschgenknödel, ein Spitzendindel, 2 Bienenschnitzel, ein Glockenspiel, Glockenspiel.
Shut up!
Ein Tiroler Hut, einen Bierkrug.
How do you like Solbach?
Oh, I love it very much. It reminds me of home.
Yes. Are you all settled for the concert tomorrow? Do you know it? You know.
Well, I think so. Well, I'm disappointed about one thing, though. We're about to end the show, and there's one song we haven't done. Sing it with me.
Edelweiss, Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white, clean and bright, you look happy to meet me. Blossom of snow, may you bloom and grow, bloom and grow forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever. Again, blossom of snow, may you bloom and grow, bloom and grow forever. Edelweiss, Edelweiss. in Bethlehem upon that morn there was a blessed Messiah born. There was a blessed Messiah born.
What child is this who lay to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping, whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping? This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him, Lord, the babe, the Son of Mary. Raise, raise the song on high, the Virgin sings her lullaby. Joy, joy, for Christ is born. The babe, the Son of Mary.
The Father gave his Son to fill the world with glory. He sent his only one to bring us peace. The shepherds on the hill were startled by the angels, the earth around them stilled at news of joy. Praise the Son of God.
It came upon a midnight clear, that glorious song of old, from angels bending near the earth to touch their hearts of gold.
It came upon a midnight clear, that glorious song of old, from angels bending near the earth to touch their harps of gold. Peace on the earth, goodwill to men, from heaven's all gracious King. The world in solemn stillness lay, to hear the angels sing. The blessed angels sing.
Perhaps one of the saddest sounds of Christmas is the sound of good friends saying goodbye. But we take with us some new memories to warm us on cold winter nights. And most of mine will be of Placido and John and the Kingsingers and the wonderful people of Salzburg. These just happen to be a few of my favorite things. Peace, love, joy, and good night.
The sound of Christmas is all around, and each sound I hear fills my soul with a love that's growing more and more till it's overflowing.